Hello, in this video I want to show you how to access videos and files from Insta360 Go on your iPhone. And to do this, first you will need to download Insta360 Go app, and here I have the camera. We want to put it inside the case and then connect the this end right here with USB to our iPhone. Now when you connect it, click on the album, and in camera you'll find all of the files, and you can either click on them to preview the video. You can delete it right here, or click on the download button to download the file directly on your memory. If you want to delete files in multiple files, then click on the top right corner of the screen. You can select each of the file. There's this bin button, you can remove it, or simply download all of the files on your iPhone memory. You can also deselect them like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.